Oh, you go again. Euro. Oh, you go again. Euro. Oh, you go again. Okay, so I guess you guys accepted me in the Netherlands country. So I'll be reacting to JOOST live performance, EUROPAPA. But I have a question. First question. Did any one of y'all watch the Bob Marley movie? Bro, it's called One Love. A freaking masterpiece. I think you guys should check it out. Check it out, please. I'm from Jamaica, and you guys should know that Bob Marley is originally from Jamaica. As you guys can see in the background here, this is my representation of my country. Right, but I'm happy to be in the Netherlands, bro. So I've reacted to JOOST EUROPAPA before on the Eurovision 2024 competition, but I'll be now reacting to the live performance. I want to see what's up, guys. I want to see what's up. In fact, I think I have some of you are waiting on my next reaction, so here we are. Here we are again. It's happy to see you guys once more, and thank you all so much for the love. I mean, like, you guys showing so much love on my previous reaction. I can't just sit and watch the days goes by and I haven't blessed you all. Okay, so I'll be reacting to the live performance, EUROPAPA live. Right? It is very first live, bro. First time live. So I want to see what's up. I want to experience something that I haven't. And this seems as if it's going to be in black and white. So regardless of that, I'll enjoy. So come on, y'all. Let's enjoy the music. And let me know if you guys watch the Bob Marley movie down below. I'll be looking forward. Peace.
Welcome to the new world. What you're about to witness is beyond human comprehension.
Well. Okay, I love the entrance. I love the intro. The introduction is so cool. Amazing intro, bro. Amazing intro. Let's continue.
Please respect the no phone policy. During this show, you will feel emotions. We only have this moment right here.
Well, it's a no phone policy because the man wants y'all to focus on him, not just the phone. So the man wants y'all to focus on him. Well, I'm gonna focus on him as well because I'm gonna get really and truly outburst right now. So prepare yourself for this one. This is gonna be a blast.
Europe, let's come together. It's now or never. I love you all.
We love you too, bro. I mean, like, this is a guy with the great personality, with the great everything for him is just great, right? Especially his sense of humor, it's amazing. This was the guy that puts on a jacket that was made by him with the shoulder of the jacket. It's freaking amazing. This is the guy. This is a freaking guy. Oh man, I love this guy. I love this guy. He's amazing. He's amazing. Let's continue.
Welkom in Europa, blijf hier tot ik dood ga. Europapa, Europapa. Welkom in Europa, blijf hier tot ik dood ga. Europapa.
Now I see why he doesn't want any cell phones. Because he wants all the eyes that is in the crowd there on him. This is so cool. Hey, well, hey, this is gonna be a superb performance. It's alive, and I'm feeling great. I'm feeling really great. Okay. Let's pursue.
Bezoek mijn friends in France of neem de benen naar Wenen. Ik wil weg uit Netherlands, maar mijn paspoort is verdwenen. Heb gelukkig geen visum nodig om bij je te zijn. Dus neem de bus naar Polen of de trein naar Berlijn.
Guys. Yo. The energy. Oh, shiz. It's freaking cool, bro. I mean, like, it's like I'm in the entire place. Where is that now? In fact, I'm welcome there. And I'm feeling as if I'm there personally. Wow. This is freaking amazing. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god.
Ik heb geen geld voor Paris, dus gebruik mijn fantasie. Heb je een eurotje, please? Zeg merci en alsjeblieft. Ben echt alles kwijt, behalve de tijd. Dus ben elke dag op reis, want de wereld is voor mij.
Yo! I love it. I love it. I love it. I mean, like, he's killing it. He is bro. I mean, like, the music by itself, it was awesome. But the live now, oh my god, guys. The live is freaking amazing. What the energetic live, bro. Wow. 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 Wow.
Welkom in Europa, blijf hier tot ik dood ga. Europapa, Europapa. Welkom in Europa, blijf hier tot ik dood ga. Europapa, Europapa.
Oh, this is one of my favorite lines in the entire song, bro. EUROPAPA, EUROPAPA. But regardless of this, bro is killing the beat, bro. Bro have a performance skill. His performance skill is freaking cool because I haven't seen this man perform, but it's amazing. Wow. Wow. I love it. I love it. Wow. I love the entire live performance here. Oh my god, guys. Ready up.
I cannot hear you.
I go again. I go again. I go again. Yo. I go again. Okay.
Bin in Deutschland, aber ich bin so allein. Io sono in Italia, maar toch doet het pijn. Ben aan het vluchten van mezelf, roep de hele dag om help. Ik geef zelfs mensen geld, maar er is niemand die me helpt. Ik hoef...
Yo, I love this. Oh my god. Hey, Mr. JOOST, bro. You are freaking amazing. Freaking darn cool. Oh my god, guys. Like, what beautiful music, bro. What beautiful performance, man. G. He's killing it. He's freaking killing it.
Geen S, car, ghost, hoef geen vissen. Shit, hoef geen pael, ja, no, weet niet eens echt wat dat is. Zet de radio aan, ik hoor Stromae met papa Oete. Zal niet stoppen tot ze zeggen...
Welkom in Europa, blijf hier tot ik dood ga. Europapa.
Yo! Oh! Yo, Mr. Juice, bro. Yo! Yo! Keep it up, bro. You are making my entire day freaking awesome, bro. You are doing just that. You are doing just fine. Riggy. This is amazing.
Europapa, welkom in Europa. Blijf hier tot ik doodga. Europapa,
Europapa, Europapa, Europapa. Hey! Europapa, Europa.
Don't mess with him, bro. Don't you dare mess with this guy's music. This music is musicking. It is musicking. Who else agree? Let me know. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my.
I love you all! This is amazing! This is epic! The Netherlands! Welkom in Europa, jongen!
Bro, we love you too, bro. We love you too. We love you too. We love your music as well. And we love the energy. We love the vibe. We love everything, bro. So, bro, I have to give it up for this guy again, bro. For this guy again, bro. I have to give it up for this guy again, bro. Bro. Oh! A home run. Bro has hit an home run, bro. He's freaking amazing, guys. I mean, like, I'm sorry, but this guy is freaking cool. He's freaking cool, bro. Yo, what a beautiful purple, what a beautiful song. I mean, like, it is so freaking beautiful. The song is energizing, bro. Oh my god, guys. I'm sorry about that, guys. You know what is this, guys? This is also a part of Jamaican culture, right? This is the Ray and Nephew white overproof rum. It's an alcohol, but when you drink it like this, it's totally raw. To the Netherlands people, you guys are so cool. Mr. JOOST, you are so cool, bro. Give it up for him again, bro. Give it up for him again, bro. Give it up! Hey! Well done. Well done, bro. I enjoyed it. What a beautiful life. You guys have done well. You, Mr. JOOST, have done well as well. Right? So, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this reaction, please don't forget to leave a like on the video. Smash that subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.